This is a RK24 tractor with an L75 loader on it, and I've had a recurring problem with this joystick, the arm control. What happens is the pin shears off on that part there, and I've ordered another one. If you need to order the part, it's D1706 11900. You can get them at Bill's Tractor Supply. But basically what it looks like is this. That's the configuration, and what happens is this pin shears off on the vertical up and down control, the arm control on the loader. So what I have done, if you get an M6 30mm bolt, you can jury rig a temporary part. This is what I've done here. Basically, it's a 36mm bolt with a washer on one end, and on the other end, washer and lock washer, and then a nut. Then in the middle there, you'll see I put some painter's tape on that bolt there. So I'm going to hook this all up and see if this works temporarily until the new part comes. Okay, I've got this temporary part in, 30mm M6 bolt, and it feels pretty good. I'm going to leave this in for a while and see how long this temporary repair lasts. But it looks, the important thing is to get that painter's tape shimmed up so that it fits through the mounting point without any slippage. And let's fire it up and see what happens. Pretty good. Bucket. So I'd say all in all it looks good. I'm going to leave it in there for a while and see how long it lasts. The other part's coming, but we'll see what happens.